UV rays are always present and they are the cause of sun damage and skin cancer. UV rays are not blocked by the clouds. You are still exposed to UV rays. Sunscreen blocks these rays and reduces your chances of getting a sunburn. So these are the ingredients, and this is zinc oxide, which is our primary ingredient, and it helps in reflecting the sun's powerful UV rays. And this is raspberry seed oil, which helps in absorption of UV rays, and it is also used as a replacement for titanium dioxide, which is found almost in every sunscreen. And the next is lavender oil, which we use as a fragrance. And coconut oil here blocks about 20% of sun's UV rays. And shea butter is here for its moisturizing properties, and it also contains natural SPF of about 7. So the next is jasmine extract, which helps in skin irritation and burns. So as you can see, this is our final product.
Most of the sunscreen we found in the market are made up of chemical blockers, which contains harmful chemicals like oxybenzone, which disrupt the hormone. So we thought to make a sunscreen which is physical blocker, which sits on the surface and reflect the UV rays. So we thought this was a good option to make a sunscreen.
And here, she's testing our sunscreen and its consistency. So here, as you can see, it does leave a little bit of white cast, but if you blend very nicely, white cast is not there anymore. Yeah, so this here shows the water resistant property of the sunscreen.
Most of the sunscreen that we see in the market are chemical blockers that contains chemical like oxybenzone, which absorb sun UV rays but disturb our hormonal activity. Our sunscreen is a physical blocker which sits on the top level of skin and reflects the UV rays without letting it pass through. We also wanted to aware the people that sunscreen reduces the risk of skin cancer. Daily use of sunscreen can reduce the risk of developing squamous cell carcinoma by 40% and reduce the risk of melanoma by 50%.
So lastly, for container, we use this biodegradable container using bamboo, and it's painted beautifully from the outside. So the main purpose of this bamboo container is to reduce the overall waste. Thank you.